Well, we got some more work done on the bed. Sorry I haven't taken any videos. Been trying to get some stuff done. Got the sides put on. Got them bump broke to match the body. Got the 90s put on the front up here. Still need to put a little piece in there. And got most of it all finish welded. Got a lot of it ground down. Went and picked up the tubing for a Hoosier pole there. Can't see it that well, but we got the rest of the license plate holes cut out and the tail light holes cut out. Just trying to get some of this stuff done. Gonna put the other piece of this on the other side. It's got it right there. Gotta get it cut out and put on there, and we get that done. I'll finish putting our hitch in. It'll B&W turnover ball put in there. I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but I'll try to get that finished up, and then we'll get it put back over on this thing, get that bed off. Been trying to get some stuff done around the house, get caught up on some other projects. Got the red face I showed you guys here a while back. Got it all put together. Need to finish wiring it, but got all the powder coating done, all the tins put on it. Starting to look pretty good. Well, we're gonna get back to work. There's our B&W hitch put in down here on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but hang on a second, let me put you up here so you can watch. Still haven't bought a camera yet, sorry guys. It's coming. Not the best looking thing in the world, but it'll work. Well, iPhone doesn't take very good welding video. Something doesn't like it, but we're going to finish welding this in up here, and then we'll go back up top and try to finish weld some of the sides in. Well, we got that all welded on this side of White Cross. Now on to the other side. Little welder hit the duty cycle. I don't do a lot of MIG welding, so I don't have a big MIG welder, and it finally said, yep, I'm too hot, I'm done. So we're going to come up here and drill some holes for our safety chains in our B&W. Drill some holes and these go through here and spring loaded and pull up and down, go right there. Gonna use one of my other favorite toys, a little mag drill. I love this thing, it's quite handy. We cheated so we didn't have to measure out our, sorry guys. We cheated so we didn't have to measure out our holes. If you can see the two burn marks there, we just spot welded right in the center of the holes. So we're gonna go ahead and drill them out now. As you can see, it drills a pretty nice hole, and there's our existing hole in our hitch, and we'll move over here and drill the next one. Made short work of that 3/16 plate and drills nice clean holes, and now our safety chain's fitting there. We're gonna go over here and drill the next one. Gotta get a screwdriver, we're stuck in there. Well, got the holes drilled, got them put in there. Like I said, I love that little deal. I think it's a handy dandy lifesaver. But got that part done there. Like I said, still need to put a plate in here, finish grinding some welds where the machine's gonna sit. Bottle rack, the plates at the shear shop for that right now getting cut. As soon as that gets sheared, we'll get the bottle rack put on and then get this thing set on there, and we'll start cutting some toolboxes in and get our Hoosier pole built. Well, see you guys later.